I'll choose technology and communication over here. And once you select that, all the logos which are related to that category will appear like this. So from these logos, you can browse through all of these and you can select one logo which you think will suit your business or website or YouTube channel the best. So let me pick up one logo here. So yep, I want to use this logo. What you need to do is just click on the logo and a pop-up like this will appear on your screen. Over here you need to enter your company name. For example, I'll enter TechRaj here, and in this text box you can enter your tagline. For example, I'll enter my tagline. And once you're done entering these, just click on get started and you'll be taken to a page like this. Now in this page you can actually customize your logo. For example, you can choose the text and you can change the font of the text. You can just click on here and you can choose a font for your text. Okay, I would like it to be the default one, so I'll not be making any changes with the title or the company name. And same is the case with the tagline or the slogan. Just select the slogan and click on here and you can actually change the font of the text. So for example, I'll be selecting this font over here, and you can even change the font color of the text. You can just click on over here and you can change the font color of the text as you like it. And you can also give the text an effect by clicking on this icon over here, and you can choose an effect and you can adjust the options for the effect. And yes, you can mess up with these options and make sure your logo looks how you want it to look. And also you can change the background of your logo. Just click on background and you can choose a background here. However, I'll not be changing the background now because I think this logo is just perfect, because the background is perfect, the logo is perfect, the text is perfect. I think everything is perfect, so I'll not be messing up with the background. But if you want, you can actually change the background. You can just click on the color which you want your background to be and it'll get changed automatically. Not only that, you can even add a text to your logo. In order to add a text, just click on the text, the font of the text you want to add. For example, I'll add this, and as you could see, it appears on the screen like this, and you can type anything here. So if in case you want to add some other details to your logo, you can just add a text like this, but however, I'll not be adding any text. And same is the case with the icon. Just click on icon over here and you can search through any icons. For example, you have some popular searches. If you search YouTube, you'll have some icons like this. So if you just click on that icon, it will be imported to the logo like this, and you can adjust this. You can adjust this on your logo, anywhere on your logo. For example, I'll put it here. I'll put the YouTube's logo over here, and that is how you can actually add an icon to your logo. And same is the case with the shape. You can add a shape like this, but I'll not be adding any shape now because I think it ruins the logo. So yes, once you're done making changes with your logo, you can just click on preview over here, and it shows you the preview of how your logo looks on your address card, on your business card, on your document, on a diary, on your YouTube channel, on your t-shirt, and on a banner. So you can see the preview, and you can be sure that your logo looks good. And I think this logo here is unnecessary. It kind of ruins the whole image. So I'll just remove it and I'll preview it again. So yep, it seems to be perfect now. And once you're done with this, you can just close this and finally click on download. And this is where you have to choose a package. So if you choose the free package, you will get only the low resolution file and you will get the image in PNG format. If you choose a basic package, you will get the maximum resolution images, and you will also get some additional things exclusive to that of the free package. And if you go for the plus package, you will get some more additional options as compared to the basic and the free package. So for now, I'll just download it for free. So just click on download for free if you want to download it for free. So since you made this logo for free and you're using this for free of cost, you have to promote Design Evo on your social media or on your website if you have one. So once you're done with that, just click on download and agree. And yep, as you could see, the download has begun. Let me open it. So these are the downloaded files. As you can see, you have got one image with the JPG format and one image with the PNG format. So you can just open it, and that is the logo which you have created. But as you can notice closely here, this is not a HD quality image, it's a low quality image. So if you want a HD quality image, you will obviously need to subscribe to one of their plans. And hey, I got some discount codes for you using which you can get 80% discount on your purchase. So if you want to use that discount code, go ahead, check the description and find the discount code, copy it, and once you're done making your logo design, just click on download, and as you could see, this package will come up. Choose the package which you want to purchase. For example, I'll choose this basic package which costs $19.99, almost $20. So just click on choose, and that asks you to sign up. So just sign up for the Design Evo website. So once you have signed up, you will see a page like this which says checkout, and over here you can see an option which says have a coupon. Just click on that and paste the discount code which you copied from the description and click on redeem, and there we go. It says you have successfully redeemed the code, and as you could see, the price dropped from $20 to $9, which means you got yourself 80% off discount. And guys, I got another great news for you. One of you can win a free logo, a HD quality free logo of Plus package which costs $40 for absolutely free of cost, which means you don't have to pay anything. You will get a logo for yourself from the Plus package. So if you want to get a professional HD quality logo for free of cost, go ahead, hurry up and comment down in the comment section that you want to win this logo. And the person who comments the first that they want to win this logo will get the logo from me. So guys, that is it for this video. Hope you like this video, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like it, and leave a thumbs down if you don't like it. And if you have any doubts regarding this, feel free to comment down in the comment section below. Hit the subscribe button for more videos, and thanks for watching. Cheers.